Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will give a short overview over the data selection process in the MeloSpyGUI software. The data selection in the Data tab will define which melodies or part of melodies will be analyzed or visualized later. In the Data tab, you can choose between using melodies from an existing database or from external files on your hard disk. The MeloSpyGUI already ships with two databases. The Weimar Jazz database contains about 300 transcribed solos from a wide range of jazz musicians. The Essen folk song collection includes over 7,000 folk song melodies from different parts of Europe. If you select one of the databases, you can see a list of all melodies on the right side of the Data tab with additional metadata information. For example, for the solos of the Weimar Jazz database, you can see the performer, title, instrument, key, time signature, and average tempo. If you activate External Files and click on the Select Files button, you can manually select files with different formats such as MIDI, Kern, or the Sonic Visualizer SV format. You can select multiple files by holding the Shift key. If you don't want to analyze all melodies, you can select a subset of the available melodies under Select Items. In the first checkbox, you can select a property, for instance, the performer. In the text field to the right, you can specify a search query. If you hold your mouse cursor over the text field for 2 seconds, you will see a suggestion for possible entries. You can see all the performers in the database. Useful wildcard symbols such as the star or the tilde symbol are explained below in blue font. Let's select all solos by Miles Davis. I will use the star wildcard here. You can also combine multiple queries. For example, I only want to select all solos from Miles Davis faster than 150 BPM. I can select the average tempo and use the greater wildcard to select all solos with an average tempo larger than 150 BPM. Using the Reset Selection button, you can again clear all the selected fields. In the bottom of the Data tab, you can choose between different segmentations of the melodies. For example, for the jazz solos in the Weimar Jazz database, you can analyze the whole solo, but also individual phrases, choruses, or form parts. After you select a segmentation, you can further see suggestions by holding the cursor over the search field. For example, I only want to analyze the first 2 choruses of all selected solos from Miles Davis. In the next tutorial, we'll have a closer look on how to select audio features in the Process tab.